Hi! Welcome back to Happy Babby. We are going to do an unboxing and review of the Melissa and Doe Giddy Buggy Crawl-Through Tunnel. This particular tunnel retails for $28 at Amazon and is highly rated with 4.8 stars and has more than 1,000 reviews. Let's start. And that's how you assemble the tunnel. Pretty easy and clear to figure out with or without the instruction sheet. The tube is almost 5 feet long and the hole is 1.5 feet in diameter. For a very petite me that stands 5 feet and a little over 100 pounds, I was still able to crawl through the tunnel. The manufacturer recommended this tunnel for toddlers between the age of 3 to 5 years. The tunnel is also early for my over a year-old toddler, but we still went ahead and bought it to help her practice crawling and scooting through the tunnel and thus enhance her physical activity. Plus, it looks fun. I like that the tube is colorful and cute, but I wish the wires that support the body of the tunnel has more padding inside. When I crawled through, I could feel the hardness of the wires on my knees. I'm pretty sure my baby can too. As for my baby's experience, this is her first ever tunnel experience, so she was hesitant to get inside of it at first. So what we did was to put her teddy inside, thinking that she would successfully crawl through the other side. She did scoot and crawl inside, but only halfway to get her teddy, and then came back on the same side. Pretty much, this is how we sum up the first couple of days since we got the tube. I think it was on the third day that she got more confident crawling through to the other side by herself and without putting her teddy or toys inside to help her. Nowadays, she scoots down and crawls through the tube whenever she feels like it. The tunnel is also very light and not stable, so it tends to roll whenever she crawls inside. She's only 16 months old and still learning how to balance herself, so I put pillows on both sides of the tunnels to stop it from moving. Otherwise, I'm afraid she's gonna roll with the tunnel and get hurt. I will probably move the pillows occasionally to see how she's doing with her balance and coordination. The tube is also easy to close and put away. Just unsnap all velcros, stand the tube vertically, push it down and it flattens easily. Then use the velcros to fasten the tube closed. And that's it! If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up or comment below if you have any questions about the tunnel. And please, don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and fun activities to make a happy babby. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!